So starting the test drive in this Blazer RS here, the V6 does have quite a bit of pull compared to the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that comes on the 2LTs and things of that nature. But the 2-liter turbo just feels, it's more fun just having the turbo on there. But this V6, definitely you can feel just how much stronger it is, specifically on the low end when you come out of a corner, because all of your torque is right there. Now, of course, it's a bit more thirsty, but again, you have that extra power. With the 2-liter getting close to 30 miles per gallon, this one gets 26 city, or highway, excuse me. So not a huge difference, I think. If you'd rather have the V6, you're not necessarily suffering a lot with the fuel economy, but there is a difference. Now, what I love about the Blazer RS is even with these 21-inch wheels, the ride is very good. And the only sound I'm really hearing is where the license plate cover in the back doesn't have screws on the bottom, so that's flapping just a little bit in the wind. But other than that, I mean, sound acoustics in here are great, no rattles, anything like that. And just clean drive here. And then you also have the adaptive cruise control. That, along with the lane keeping system, just makes those longer road trips a bit more bearable. So in terms of what you get for the money, I do think under 50 grand is pretty good for this RS. You get your heated cooled seats, the optional sunroof, the adaptive cruise control, and a really good looking interior. I like how they did the screen here where it kind of pops out, but it's still in the dash, if that makes sense. It's not like a tablet setup or way back coming out of the actual dash. So, I mean, the design inside and out is pretty good. But again, for all that you get here, I think 50 grand for something like this is about average. But the Blazers have just always been hot sellers because they look so good on the outside. They turn heads, whether you've got a 2019 or you have a 2025. They just they look awesome. Now, I want to give one more thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Blazer RS today. I'll leave a link below in the description. And if you're looking to find the best price on something closer to home, click on that second link down below. It takes a minute to fill out your information. I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on any new vehicle you might be interested in. But in terms of my final thoughts, again, it's just a solid SUV. There's a lot you get here for the price point. Probably don't necessarily have to pay sticker either, so if you find one on sale, you're really getting yourself a bargain. Here at Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro, you even get an included lifetime powertrain warranty, so for however long you own the vehicle, engine, transmission, and then your transaxles are covered. If any malfunction were to occur, just keep up with the maintenance. But I mean, a vehicle that rides well, looks good, and it's fun to drive. It's not like you're driving a minivan or a Tahoe or even a Traverse. It looks good, relatively easy to drive, not too big. But with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 Chevy Blazer RS.